Welcome back to another video, guys. Friend, today we will take your intro the amazing and fascinating world of insects. Guys, if you I get right of speaking English, please forgive me. So this teeny creature live around you, but often when we see them, we another get upset or scared. Today we will talk about the butterfly which make our heart happy when we see it, the dragonfly which look like a flying helicopter in the sky, and the cockroach which makes most people run away in fear. The butterfly is natural colorful painting. When it sits on a flower, it looks as if the flower has grow wings. There are more than 18,000 species in the world. And fun fact, guys, butterflies taste with their feet. That means they don't need home but feel to taste. Life cycle: each caterpillar, the leaf-eating machine, pupa, where the caterpillar turns into a meditative yogi, and then one day suddenly a colorful butterfly comes out. One fact: if there is an award for eating the caterpillar world win us the unlimited hoodie. And features: butterfly take energy for flight from the sun's warmth. Some butterfly travel as far as 300 kilometers. The color on their wings shines even green and then camera flash. Guys, background voice avoid. Okay. So, fun fact, guys. Butterfly don't cry like human, but if it gets too hot, they start funny and themselves with their wings. Human and butterflies, they help in pollination. They are symbol in art and literature. They teach you the lesson of transformation in life. Fun story: in ancient times, people believed that if butterflies sat on your shoulder, it was sign of good luck. The dragon is called the warmth of the sky. Its look fierce and is the most stylish flyer. Fun fact: the designer of helicopter was inspired by the dragon's flight and speed of 35 kilometers per hour. Can fly forward, backward, and even upside down. Yes, with 3,000 lenses. And fun fact: if a dragonfly is around, mosquito will run away. The hunting success rate of dragonfly is 90%. It its muscular will flying. It is truly the Air Force commander of the insect world, reduces the mosquito population, a symbol of courage and victory in Japan, considered a symbol of good luck in many countries. Funny and fun story in fact. In villages, kids ride its wings with a thread and player as its way a helicopter. And cockroach. Now we come to the insect that makes people scare the most, the cockroach. Even the bravest person gets scared when a cockroach flies in the kitchen. It can survive for weeks without a head. I can live a month without food. I can survive radiation. Fun fact, it's said that it's the world and cockroach will still be spreading harms and diseases. Cockroach fleet their cause alarms, asthma and stomach problems. They spoil food store. If you enter the kitchen at night, cockroaches will scatter as if you cause their escape party. Yeah, guys. In medical research, antibiotic-like compounders are being found in their brains. In China, cockroaches are farmed for medicine and protein food. They help clean waste in nature. The butterfly teach use beauty and transformation. The dragonfly show use strength and control. The cockroach teaches use how to service in any condition. Every creature has its role. Some give joy, some help, and some teach resilience. So next time you see an insect, don't just think it's scary. Remember its story. So friends, this was a fun and informative 1 hour informative and 9 minute journey into the world of the butterfly, dragon and cockroach. If you enjoy this journey, please subscribe to the channel and share this video and see you in the next episode. Until then, goodbye. And if you get tired of speak English, so please forgive me and support for famous animal channel and love you, my friend, my uncle, my auntie, and my mother, like women. Love you.